Have you ever wondered how your internet connection jumps from your device across the world and back to bring you that cat video in under a second? It's like magic, right? Wrong. It's relays. Now, I know what you're thinking. Relays? Those things from old radios? Well, yes and no. The concept is similar, but the technology is light years ahead. Let's break it down. Imagine the internet as a massive, interconnected web. You're a spider on one end, and your favorite cat video is a juicy fly on the other. To get to that fly, you need to traverse the web. That's where relays come in. They're like the tiny, hard-working spiders that help you get across. A relay, in the simplest terms, is a device that receives a signal and then retransmits it. It's like a middleman, passing a message from one person to another. In the internet world, these messages are packets of data. Now, the internet isn't a flat web. It's more like a tangled ball of yarn. Data packets can travel in countless directions. Relays help keep things organized. They direct the traffic, ensuring your data packet takes the quickest route to its destination. Think of it like a highway system. Your data packet is a car. Relays are the traffic lights and signs directing the car to its exit. Without them, it would be chaos. But it's not just about speed. Reliability is key. What if your car breaks down on the highway? That's where redundancy comes in. Multiple relays are involved in transporting your data. If one fails, others can pick up the slack. There are different types of relays. Some are routers, directing traffic between networks. Others are switches, connecting devices within a network. And then there are amplifiers, boosting the signal over long distances. But how do they actually work? Well, it involves a complex interplay of hardware and software. Relays have processors that analyze incoming data, determine the best route, and then forward it. It's like a tiny brain making split-second decisions. And let's not forget about wireless relays. These are the unsung heroes of our connected world. They extend Wi-Fi coverage, allowing us to enjoy seamless internet access even in remote areas. So, the next time you're binge-watching your favorite show or uploading a photo, take a moment to appreciate the army of relays working behind the scenes. They're the backbone of the internet, making our digital world possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.